Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today, I'll show you how to quickly switch between virtual desktops using keyboard shortcuts. If you often have multiple apps open and need a better way to manage them, virtual desktops can help you stay organized. Let's dive in. What are virtual desktops? Virtual desktops allow you to create multiple separate workspaces on your computer without needing multiple monitors. For example, you can have one desktop for work, another for entertainment, and another for personal projects, all running simultaneously. How to switch between virtual desktops. Instead of clicking through multiple windows, you can use these quick shortcuts. Windows Ctrl right arrow, switch to the next virtual desktop. Windows Ctrl left arrow, switch to the previous virtual desktop. This makes it super easy to jump between different workspaces without breaking your flow. How to create and close virtual desktops. To create a new virtual desktop, press Windows Ctrl D. To close the current desktop, press Windows Ctrl F4. Don't worry, your apps will move to another desktop instead of closing. Why use virtual desktops? Helps organize work by keeping different tasks in separate spaces, reduces clutter by preventing too many overlapping windows, improves productivity by allowing you to focus on one task at a time. And that's how you use virtual desktops to keep things organized. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next one.